Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be walking you through this tutorial step by step. This is a very quick and easy classic Christmas holiday makeup look using very minimal products. I don't have a ton sitting out here, so I'm excited to show you how I got this today. A huge thank you to Clé de Peau and Nordstrom for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. I actually decided to do something a little bit different. I went online on Nordstrom.com and placed an order. I actually got order pickup because I'm an introvert and I went in store and picked it up the next day, which is pretty cool. I've never done that before, but that's what I did. The only thing that they didn't have was my gift with purchase because Clé de Peau is having a gift with purchase right now. So that is getting shipped to me. It should be here pretty soon. But I unboxed everything today on camera. I'm trying it for the first time today, except for the concealer. I have used that before. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you like these sort of like unboxing, try on haul, one brand tutorials, because I can definitely do more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe and let's get started. I think what I'm gonna do is show you the new product up close in action and give you my first impression as I apply it and do it in that order. Instead of showing you everything I picked up and then showing you everything in action, it can be, this is what I picked up, let's see how this works, instead of like a traditional haul. I hope that makes sense. Also, I just got done being sick, and I think as soon as I started feeling better, I had all this energy. You know how that is when you get over being sick and you're like, wow, I feel so amazing, I can do so many things. And then I think I overdid it because today, I just feel weird today. I don't feel 100%. My mind isn't like clicking. I don't know. So I apologize in advance for... Yes. So I'm going to start with foundation. I'm going to go into the Clé de Peau Beauté, I believe, is that Beauty or Beauté? Probably Beauté. Radiant Fluid Foundation. It has SPF 24. I got the shade BF 20. I've been wanting to do this kind of video for a while, but let me know if you'd like me to do a video on how to shop for your foundation shade online and get it right, because I gotta say, I think I'm pretty darn good at matching myself with foundations online almost every time. This is the foundation. This is the liquid one up close. They have a few different kinds of foundations. I really love this packaging though. Doesn't it look so glam? I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. And yep, see, that is going to match me. Okay, I just zoomed in and do a little bit at a time and just blend this in. Oh, I always have to smell a new foundation. Well, any new makeup, honestly. I smell it all. But oh my gosh, this smells incredible. And see, I'm not good at a lot of things, but I'm good at picking foundation online. Let me know if you want a video on that. Oh my gosh. So this is a very, very lightweight foundation. They have a lot of different types of foundation that comes in like different formulas. So they had like a stick foundation, they had like a cushion one, a powder one, a liquid one. It is looking very, very beautiful. It's one of those foundations, just from my first initial impression, this looks like one of those foundations that's going to look like your skin, but better kind of a thing. It doesn't look like a crazy full coverage. I'd say, in my opinion, it's a nice medium coverage, which I think is my personal favorite for foundations. I don't like anything too full coverage for day to day. I mean, I can appreciate full coverage, don't get me wrong. But I'm actually going to try to build this up to see if you can get a full coverage because I'm curious. But I love that, like, for an everyday foundation, this is stunning. Very, very beautiful. It's slightly luminous, but not overly. It's not like a crazy, crazy dewy. Gives you that like youthful inner glow kind of a look. I've been really wanting to do some foundation review videos. So after the holiday season and everything, I'm gonna get on that because I really want to do some good foundation reviews. So then the next thing that I got is the Clé de Peau concealer with SPF 25. I got the shade Ivory. I don't remember what shade I had in this before. It's been a minute since I've tried it. So this is what it looks like here. It is a stick concealer. Roll that up. So I'm going to bring this under the eyes and blend this out. Been a minute since I've used like a stick concealer. Man, this brings me back. I love makeup or like the makeup that I used from like 2012, 2013, that time period, because that's like when I started my channel, and it's just very nostalgic and just puts me in a good mood, you know? Probably can't tell, but the way that the light is just kind of like bouncing off my face, it looks so natural. It looks like I put on like a good healthy moisturizer, you know? And like this is just what my skin looks like. Next I have the Clé de Peau Bronzing Powder Duo. I got the shade number 2. This might be a little too deep for me, but I love deep bronzers. I don't normally use bronzers that are geared for my skin tone, but this is what the outside packaging looks like. Oh, this is gonna work fine. This is the inside, and start applying it on the face. This is more warm, just like a bronzy kind of a shade, where this shade over here is more of like that sun-kissed look, like you've actually been kissed by the sun, which is what I prefer in a color. So you have this mix of this warmth and the red tone. So you could grab like either side or mix them together like I'm doing here to give you kind of like a mixture. Next, I have a blush duo. This is in the color 101. I think I accidentally got the refill. So this is in the color 101. It's a beautiful like rosy pink. I feel like you could even use this as like a highlighter. I'm just gonna pick up the pink darker side here, apply it on the cheeks. Bring it up on the forehead. I'm also gonna grab a little bit of the lighter shade, kind of bring it, oh wow, that is like a highlighter. I'm gonna bring it closer to the top, so then it can kind of like mix in with whatever highlighter I put on. Very radiant with that second color. Next, I have the Luminizing Face Enhancer, which I'm going to use on my cheekbones to highlight. This is shade number 16. Yes, I love when products come in little sleeves like this. I don't know why, but I keep everything that comes in a sleeve in its sleeve because it's home, it's fancy. Oh, look at this packaging. And it's actually like raised up. I don't know if you can tell, but it's textured. Oh, so bougie. And then this is the highlighter. They also had one that was a little bit warmer, but this one I figured would match me the best. So, okay, so I'm gonna go straight into this. Oh my gosh, I feel like I did not need that much. I got a lot on the brush. Hit the cheekbones. That is beautiful. So very, very beautiful highlight for my skin tone. If you are tanner, definitely get the deeper shade. This is like the perfect highlight for the holidays. I'm gonna use my finger and go into it and pop this on my nose and then also on the Cupid's bow. Oh, really quick, I totally forgot about this. I'm the most excited for. This is the Glow Revival Conditioning Balm. You guys know I'm like obsessed with lip balm, especially tinted lip balm. So I'm gonna put it on now before I do like the eyes and stuff. This is what the packaging looks like here. And then it looks like this. It's one of those like pinky sort of lip balms. So I'm gonna apply it on. See how it just gives me like a little bit of color? I love it. This for me right here is like a super good glam everyday kind of look. Because right now, I cannot wait to use that foundation again. My skin looks so good right now. So my eyes are prepped and primed. For a very quick and easy glam sort of look, my favorite thing to do is to go in with the face products that I used on my face and use them on my eyes. This is going to cut your time in half. You don't need all these other extra products. You can just use what you used already and it's going to look very complimentary. It's all gonna be very, what's the word? Like it's gonna work together and it's gonna match and look very natural and almost like you naturally look like that. That's what natural means. So I'm gonna go into the bronzer and pick it up here and start bringing that in the crease. And you can also connect it into the nose, kind of on the lid a little bit. I'm gonna look upwards and get the lower lash line. And I'm just kind of mixing the colors together, by the way, because this does have two different shades. And look, it already looks like, just like you put on some neutral brown eyeshadow. I love using bronzer and I look beautiful. I'm also gonna touch a little bit into the blush here, just a little bit, and kind of bring that through the crease. It really ties everything together. Blush is like one of my favorite things. Okay, I'm gonna go into the highlighter now, and I'm just gonna use my finger and bring it up here on the brow bone and on the inner corner. And that's all I'm doing for eyeshadow. Using my face products on my eyes is seriously one of my favorite things to do, especially if I'm in a hurry or if I just want to look natural. because I feel like they just all work together because it's all the same tones. So I only have 2 more things left. I have the intensifying liquid eyeliner. You could honestly just skip this step if you don't want to do eyeliner, because I know it can, oh my god, I can't open this. I know that that can't be quick for some people, but I do feel like pens like this make it quicker. So this is actually double-ended. It says brush and tip. Let's do the tip side first and map this out. Let me grab my fancy mirror here. It's gonna be my new go-to makeup mirror, I swear. I can't really talk and do my eyeliner at the same time, so I'll just explain it here. I'm just using the smaller tip to create the outer shape. I kind of outline the whole shape from the outer tail to the inner corner and then connect them together. And then the wing in the angle is kind of going up to the top of my ear. And then I just fill it in. Remember that when you're using any kind of felt tip eyeliner, to make sure that when you fill it in, you're turning this on its side and filling it in like this, instead of going at it like this and poking your eye. You really want to utilize the entire space here because that's where all of your product is. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes, and now we can move on to the lips, which is the last product that I got. This is the Seamless Matte Creamy Moisture Lipstick. I got the shade 108 Evening Flame. Don't even want to take this off. I love this so much. I personally would just wear this with like a lip liner and be good to go. I just love these kind of products. But this is kind of like a liquid lipstick. This is what this looks like here. It has this kind of applicator. Take this off really quick. Go ahead and apply that on my lips. Oh yeah, girl. Oh my god, I look so funny with just the bottom. Oh, that feels just like a creamy lipstick. All right, I'm just popping on my earrings here to give me that more Christmassy vibe. These are also from Nordstrom. And now the look is complete. I will link the earrings and the sweater that I'm wearing down below in the description box. They're both from Nordstrom. But this is the final look. I love it. This is so Christmassy to me. And this lip specifically, I love it because it has that more blue undertone and it's a little bit deeper than your classic bright red. It's gonna make your teeth look really white. If you're not someone that likes to step out of your comfort zone with makeup, this is a look that you can totally do to kind of like get you on that track if you're wanting to play more, because it's a very classic look, very quick to do, very skin focused. You can pop on the red lip if you want, or not. You can actually do this without the wing if you want. Totally up to you. You can customize it however you please, and you don't need a ton of products to create it. So yeah, that's everything for this video. This is the final look. I'm obsessed with it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this where I do kind of like the try on haul, and let me know if you like more one brand tutorials. If you do, let me know in the comments what brand you'd like me to do this for next. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Clé de Peau and Nordstrom for sponsoring this. I always have a lot of fun working with Nordstrom on videos. And oh, I will also link my outfit details below. I'm gonna be doing a fall and winter like outfit try on haul very soon. Probably gonna Probably gonna film that in just a couple of days because I've picked up some key staple pieces that I think you're really gonna like. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you very soon.